on, y'all? It's your girl Fifi Dominique, and I'm back once again with another video. So today I am going to be doing, I don't know how many I'm going to do. I might do 5, 10, I don't know, but I'm gonna give you guys some hairstyle ideas to do with Goddess Faux Locks, because you know the hair could get really like annoying or tiresome like after the first couple of days. I don't know about y'all, but that's how I feel. So I'm gonna give you guys a couple of hairstyles to do, you know, just to spice up your hair and feel a little different. It looks so cute. Oh my god. If you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel right now. And don't forget to hit that like button and turn your post notifications on so you never miss another video. Also, I just want to say a special thank you to everybody who has supported my channel thus far. You guys are greatly appreciated. And a special shout out to that one person who keeps disliking all my videos. I see you. I see you. I see you keep disliking, but I also see you keep watching. So
I'm very sorry, and I apologize for the inconvenience of me not giving a fuck what you think.
So, without further ado, make sure to sit tight, grab a popcorn, you know what I'm saying? If you got the faux locks in your hair right now, make sure to get ready to try these hairstyles out with me. So stay tuned. Digging it. I think this one's kind of cute. See this in a couple clips? Don't mind it, because you know one of my dreadlocks fell out, and it be like that sometimes. You know what I'm saying? It be like that. You can do it off to the side too, like. You know. Okay, next for this one, you kind of have to stand up. You're gonna have to stand up for this one. Can you see me? I just grabbed like 2 from the middle, near like the middle front, right? Can you see me? Like you're making an X. Bring it around all the hair, like so. Bring it back to the front. Cross. Bring it back. And we're gonna do a tie. One tie. You're gonna tie it twice. Alright? You know what I'm saying? You got your high ponytail. Like, yes. Can you say queen? Serving queendom. Just tuck the one where the dreadlock fell out. Cause ain't nobody gotta see that. You know what I'm saying? Alright. There we go. Now we serving queendom. Yes. Yes. This one is like by far my favorite one. I love this style. Like this is me. You know what I'm saying? I love the high pony, and you know, it's very easy to do. You don't need to struggle with the little elastic thing. Feeling like Queen Fifi, you know what I'm saying? Yes. Roll it. Roll it. You could put like a little clip on the end and call that another style, you know. Especially if you got curls on the end. Yes. I wasn't gonna do that though. Bring it around. This is like when you just can't bother with the hair, when the hair is just getting too much. This is the style. Just tuck it under, like so. You're good to go, as long as your edges are down pat, you know what I'm saying? Or, you know, if edges are not your thing, then that's okay. Yeah, I love my bandanas. Sometimes. Like so. And do a 1-2 knot. Yes. Serving Tupac. Yes. Just like that. If you guys enjoyed this video today, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn the post notification bell on so you do not miss a video when I upload. Also, you guys, I have some very exciting news. I will be traveling during COVID. Pray for me.